you right tonight, mommy. I know my English ain't as smart as that you like, but come, get some, you little bums. I take the cake from under the baker's thumb. I bake the cake and chew it up for one. Then I move the weight like an open sun. I show you how to do this, son. Young no mess with chicks and bird baby patterns. Fake Manolo, bull straight from Steve Madden. He had himself the rap JFK. You wanna pass much ass, no asses, and hop your ass out that S-class. Lay back in that laid-back roller against grass. Have you in your long-legged life never seen no one surrounded by this much pink ice? Look but don't touch, motherfucker, think twice. Cause the cat that I clutch got a little red light. Need a light to smoke that la-la-la. Baby Seagull was smoking that la-la-la. Little Fleegle was smoking that la-la-la. It's the rock mommy sing that lullaby. Come on, excuse me miss, I'm the shit. You should come hang with me. Basically, hold up, skip all the singing, let's get right tonight. We got pockets full of army, mommies with Manolo, bags by Chanel, Louis Vuitton logos. All attracted to hoe because they know dough. When they see him, wait for European. If you're a team, chance to shoot with him. If you're a five, you know you ride with him. Sick with the pen, nigga, no position in the world to fix him. No prescription, you can prescribe to subside his affliction. He's not a saint, man, he's more like Rain Man twitching. You can't rain dance on this picnic, no Haitian voodoo, no headless chickens can get a sickness, no Ouija board, you can't see me, dog, nigga, you see me fall. This ain't Chris Rock, bitch, it's the rock, bitch, and I'm the franchise like a Houston Rocket, yeah, man, still smoking that la-la-la, man, Blink still smoking that la-la-la, Benny Seagull does the equal to go to ride, it's the rock, baby, sing that lullaby, come on, excuse me, man, this is the rocket shit, she coming from the land, I'm gonna take till they leave me,
love, setting the shit off. I ain't even started, get I'm burning your shit off. Mommy in the spot with me shaking the skin soft. You getting hot and 20, mommy, take everything off. Right now, you know me as King Boss, so you can wear with GTs. Pushing one of my twin Porsche, run us off seats off, white with a tip gloss. In the driveway of the mansion when the roof is a big loft. Dress up in the finest fabrics and the kick flows. My tailor's always drinking in the finest of rich cloth. When a nigga step out, make anything soft. Just sizzle like a fire and a burn from a lit torch. They pay to see the guard, no matter what shit costs. This is a top slide, cause the bullets are crisscross. You with the heat and shit, bang with a big force. Before I get hot, weak niggas just get lost.
This a regular jam. I'm gonna rock this land. I'm gonna take this city, mini world by storm. And I'm just getting born. This a regular jam. I'm gonna rock this land. I'm gonna take this city, mini world by storm. And I'm just getting born. 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 And I'm just getting born.
I said, wait. Look, should be making every dog in the street fly. It's getting kinda warm now. Burn up your free box. Warming in the island and the tropics with peacocks. We at in every corner of the east block. Rims keep spinning, bitch, whenever the beat stops. It's like magic with the flow on the beat line. Coming with the cannon fully loaded and restock. Spin, bitches wanna bounce to the beat out. Disrespect me to me, Glock. I'm cooking like the coca that a boil in a teapot. Make a nigga lazily decay in the beat rock. And warm it up again until I sizzle the street out.
This a regular jam. I'm gonna rock this land. I'm gonna take this city, man, world by storm. And I'm just getting born.
Круто, почему так тихо?